Hi everyone, today we have the software called Help Scout, and this is the best shared inbox, help center and live chatting software. Before we begin, you can consider heading over to the link in the description to get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses onto the platform called Help Scout. Now jumping onto its dashboard, you will be able to see we can connect different type of channels. Now since it has all to do with communication with your possible clients or users to provide them a better user experience, here you can see we have basically a place where we can connect our channels. Could be Gmail, Messenger, or whatsoever you would like to connect. Click on this connect your email, enter your email in here, a verification code will be sent, and then it will be confirming that. You can import your data as well, could be from Gmail and all that stuff, like for example your existing customers and whatsoever important data is there, messages and everything. You can see you can add just your beacon as well. So this is basically adding a beacon onto your website is the best way to connect with customers instantly. So this is their own system that will be allowing you to connect with your customers. Now on the top you will be able to see the inbox section. Here will be all the direct messages and you can see all of these informations related to your mail. So currently I have added that in here. You can see we have mine and drafts, so everything will be categorized here neatly. You have your messages that you're going to be receiving onto your connected channel. So currently I do not have any channel that I have connected, but I can create it. So let's just try doing that, and let's just select the display in a standard, or yeah, let's just go with standard. Now we will be directed towards another section. You can see we have this create section, so we can enter our details in here. Once we do, we can click on save. Eventually it will be started. So you have your events, audiences, schedules that you want to do, and yeah, so after that you have your reports related to your mails, phones and other stuff. You have your customers, you can add your customers in here as well. Now if you are unsure about its reviews, Help Scout, you can see clear interface, multi-featured, good API and unparalleled amazing support. Very simple and user-friendly communication tool. So make sure to give a try using the link in the description to get yourself extended free trial as well as exclusive bonuses. See you guys around in the next video.